you've got these LEDs that indicate different things. You've got 4 LEDs here. The first one says there's power from the power supply to the board. Well, there's a 5-volt power supply from the power supply, so your power supply is okay. The second one said there's power applied to the board. The third one is to say that the board is on and it's from the video card. And the fourth one is to say the board has found the LCD. So if you watch here, they'll all come on. 1, 2, steady on there now, chime, fourth one comes on, LCD comes on, and with this it's just going to switch off again. So we'll let it switch off again, we'll just switch it off. We're going to look at why it switches off itself.